Let's do a super quick review. Hello, you can use anytime. Good morning before 12 noon. Good afternoon from 12 noon to 6 p.m. Good evening after 6 p.m. when you arrive somewhere. Goodbye or bye when you're leaving. Good night for late evenings or right before sleep. Thank you or thanks when someone helps you. Please when you ask for something. Excuse me to get someone's attention. And finally, sorry when you make a mistake. These 10 words are your key to communicating in English everywhere you go. Practice them every single day. You can use them with your friends, your family, or even practice alone in front of a mirror. Now for your homework, I want you to try and use all 10 greetings today. Say good morning to someone. Say thank you when someone helps you. Say excuse me when you need attention. Remember, practice makes perfect. For our next lesson, I'm traveling to a new country, but I need your help to decide where I should go. Comment below and tell me, Thailand, Vietnam, or Malaysia. I'll read all your comments and choose my next destination. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to follow my Southeast Asia adventure and catch our next lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.